We have the private not-for-profit. Our colleague GMS has been here for quite that time. And then we have the private for-profit. But also, all of you know that the science of medicine keeps on advancing, and we want to see that can we be able to get new molecules. Every 2 years we review our essential medicine list, and we're looking at that as the question came in that what will be the cost for these new molecules. And when you look straightforward, definitely probably look at the cost is high, but also you're looking at what do you put the cost and the benefits which come with what will come with them. Definitely, probably they become much more cheaper than for you to spend on drugs, which probably will not be able to work. But for us, definitely, the government is still also interested that how does the common person probably be able to access what? And I think, so that's the discussion which we think we'll have an C&D, that how can we be able to progressively, just like when we started ARVs in this country, the pricing was really hitting the roof, and we saw that probably we will not be able to get them. But I'm looking at that if we do the power of high scale of high economics, then probably we'll be able to get these prices much more lower. Then we shall look at how can we still be able to separate the product for the private sector and also provide product for public sector. So that's the reason why this evening, me and my colleague decided to see that we come and listen, be part of it, and be able to see that what are the new other molecules which we need to learn. So that we don't just hear of these molecules outside of Uganda. They should be available here and in the market here. And I think if that happens, then the pricing will come down. So we'll look at how we can be able to do this. So as you have been highlighted, definitely common Ncds we're looking here is hypertension and diabetes and cardiovascular disease. And normally they are a trinity. Sometimes they occur together. So if one comes, then it leads to the next one. So you need to be able to look at that. So we are looking at specifically that the rural areas which are underserved and the communities, we need to be able to look at how can we be able that these innovative solutions are here. I'm happy to know that many of the key health providers are here, because if you go to medical school, even with the old combinations, people are still very difficult finding on what's the balancing act you can use to be able to get good results. Others have known the only drug they can give either is the or dental or whatever. So that's what they want. And I think organizing this continuous professional meeting is key, because I think there are new aspects which we've been able to listen. So the ministry is committed in supporting these initiatives and promoting health and well-being across Uganda, and I think we'll work with GMS, probably be the country provider, the agent or the others come care, then we can be able to do that. But specifically with my colleague here, we definitely would want to see that how we drive the aspect, because we don't want many patients shift to this side. We want to keep as fewer as one. So its role is definitely an aspect of health promotion and strategic communications. So how can we package this same information for people to be able to understand it much more easily? How do we package it? Lumo has been talking here about aspect of diabetes. How do we do it? But only problem I'm looking at that in the future, since this number, so that it doesn't look again that you now become malnourished because now you start to take everything, because you We don't want the sugar to go up. So we will look at to see with our colleagues, definitely NDA, and all the other players to see that how can these products be accessible in what? Accessible in the markets within the country, but also how do we in the long run be able to access them to the common person, to the public, and be able to do that. I think in the NCD world, the total market approach has been open, but now what we need is that we get these things the lowest cost until people can be able to spend the little money which they have and get better products.